Hello, my name is Tim, and I'm the leader of a packaging machinery company out of Minneapolis. My background includes over 20 years of experience in engineering and technology fields, with over 10 years in manufacturing. The Positive Intelligence course has brought the MGS leadership team to the next level. The results include being more connected as a team, becoming professionally vulnerable with each other, and it really has allowed us to identify our strengths and weaknesses to be more effective. We have been able to focus our efforts in a more constructive way and also challenge each other in an empathetic manner. The course has been so effective for us that we're actually sending our next level of leadership through the course this spring. So the initial part of it being very personal also allowed us then to be vulnerable. And when people started sharing their saboteurs, maybe some challenges that they've had in their personal life or a challenge they've had in their professional life, it really opened up a level of empathy that we had not seen before within this group. And it's allowed us to think about our business and our strategy in a different way and how we deal with and develop our people.